Suntard,
What?
you bringing me my spices?
Here you go, Chef Logan.
Chef Logan? That's pretty high up. You can call me master and chef. What we're cooking here today is some high quality hamburger patties and hot franks. I mean hot dogs.
Let's cook those.
Meat. We like the meat. Oh shoot. Yeah. Cooking it on the Master Grill 4000. Suntard, show me your best trick, dude.
Okay.
That was crazy. All right, we have loaded up the Grill Master. We are getting to work here. Ah! Hey, Shay Carl, catch! Woo! We're cooking them up. Baby Tard, what you going for there? Huh? You just take the hot dog off of the bun and eat it. Nice. You guys jumping on the tramp? Show me your moves. That's a crazy move.
I can do that.
You jump in? Cooper Tard? Oh, jeez. What are you doing, crazy? Cooper, come here. Cooper, come here. Cooper, come here. Come here, come here. You want to wear my hat? Come here. Wear my hat. You're so cool. Go jump. Go jump with my hat on. Crazy. Do front flip. Oh, jeez. Shay, catch. Woo! Woo! Alright, ready?
Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a backflip, but I'm gonna catch the ball in the air before I do the backflip.
Ball.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Here we go.
Holy cow, dude.
What's the line called?
The line of scrimmage.
Good job. We're going to teach these boys how to play linemen. Get down. Down. Sit. Hut. Go, go. Drive it. Suntard, get the ball.
I'm trying to.
Go on, swim. Swim him. Swim him. Swim him. Swim him. Oh, you're getting owned. Oh. Thrown down. Here we go. Suntard now on the offensive line, and Landry here on the defensive line, going to get the ball. Down. Sit. Put. Oh. Oh. Oh, Landry. Oh. Alright, you guys, here's Logan McKay signing off. Goodbye. Oh, jeez.